What if some of the healthiest meals ever eaten were written about thousands of years ago, and many people still overlook them today? Stay with us because these 15 biblical meals may surprise you. And by the end of this video, you might just find your next favorite dish. Throughout history, long before modern supplements and fancy diets, people were already eating foods that nourish the body in powerful ways. Many of these meals appear in the pages of the Bible. And today, modern nutrition science is finally catching up to what ancient people already knew. So let's take a journey back in time and discover 15 biblical meals that may support healing, energy, and long-lasting wellness when they're part of a balanced lifestyle. Let's start with number 1, lentil stew, in the book of Genesis. We read about Jacob's brother Esau trading his birthright for a simple bowl of lentil stew. That's how valuable this humble meal was. Lentils are packed with plant-based protein, fiber, iron, and folate. This combination may help support steady energy, healthy digestion, and heart health. For people over 40 looking for a filling, affordable, and nourishing meal, lentil stew is a wonderful place to start. 1 bowl of lentils, and you're already eating like ancient royalty. Now, let's move to number 2, barley bread with olive oil. Barley was one of the most common grains in biblical times, especially among everyday families when paired with olive oil. This simple combination delivers fiber, healthy fats, and antioxidants. Barley may support healthy blood sugar levels, while olive oil is well known for supporting heart health. Together, they created a meal that fueled entire villages. Ancient simplicity, modern wisdom. Next, number 3, grilled fish and whole grain bread. Fish appears throughout the Gospels, including the famous miracle of the fish and loaves. Fish is rich in omega-3 fatty acids, which may support brain function and heart health. Whole grain bread adds fiber and B vitamins. This pairing may help support memory, mood, and overall vitality as we age. This becomes even more important, a meal fit for miracles and modern wellness alike. Number 4, roasted lamb with bitter herbs. This meal takes us straight to the Passover story, where lamb was roasted and eaten with bitter herbs as a symbol of freedom. Lamb provides high-quality protein, along with iron, zinc, and vitamin B12. Bitter herbs like parsley or dandelion greens may support digestion and liver function. This ancient combination reminds us that flavor and function can absolutely go hand in hand. Now, number 5, fig and walnut platter. Figs are mentioned many times in Scripture, often as symbols of peace and abundance. When paired with walnuts, you get a snack rich in fiber, potassium, and healthy fats. This combination may support heart health and provide a natural energy boost without any added sugar. A sweet reminder that nature already perfected the healthy snack. Number 6, dates with goat milk. Dates were a staple food across the ancient Middle East, prized for their natural sweetness and energy. Goat milk was easier to digest for many people, and rich in calcium and protein. Together, dates and goat milk may help support bone strength and provide a quick, natural source of energy. A simple combination our ancestors trusted long before energy bars existed. Now, let's look at number 7, vegetable and herb soup. Warm vegetable soups made with herbs like leeks, onions, and garlic were common in daily biblical meals. These ingredients are rich in antioxidants, vitamin C, and natural compounds that may support the immune system. Herb-based soups were often used as comforting, healing meals during times of illness. Some traditions really do stand the test of time. Number 8, chickpea and olive bowl. Chickpeas, sometimes linked to ancient legumes mentioned in Scripture, are loaded with plant protein and fiber. Olives add healthy fats and antioxidants. This bowl may help support digestion and provide long-lasting fullness. A favorite among those who want simple, satisfying meals without any complicated ingredients. Now, number 9, honey with whole grain bread. Honey is mentioned frequently in the Bible, often symbolizing abundance and blessing. In the phrase, a land flowing with milk and honey, honey contains natural antioxidants and may offer soothing properties for the throat. When paired with whole grain bread, you get a balance of natural sweetness and fiber. Sometimes the sweetest things in life really are the simplest. Number 10, pomegranate and grape salad. Pomegranates and grapes were treasured fruits in biblical lands, both rich in antioxidants known as polyphenols. These compounds may support heart health and help protect the body from everyday stress on our cells. This colorful salad isn't just beautiful. It's a small edible celebration of nature's protection. Now, number 11, fresh cheese with herbs. Soft cheeses made from goat or sheep milk were common biblical foods. Rich in protein and calcium, when combined with fresh herbs like mint or oregano, you get added antioxidants and a boost of flavor without needing salt. This meal may support bone health and reminds us that fresh, simple ingredients often taste the best. Number 12, baked beans and garlic. Beans were an essential source of plant protein and fiber in ancient diets. Garlic, often praised throughout history, contains compounds that may support the immune system and heart health. Together, baked beans and garlic create a hearty, warming meal that has fed families for generations. Comfort food with a purpose. Now, number 13, cucumber and mint salad. Cucumbers are mentioned in the Old Testament as a food enjoyed in ancient Egypt, and later throughout biblical lands. Cucumbers are naturally hydrating, and mint may support healthy digestion. This refreshing combination is perfect for hot climates and reminds us that cooling, light meals have always had a place at the table. Number 14, fruit and nut breakfast bowl. Fruits like figs, dates, and pomegranates, combined with nuts such as almonds and walnuts, formed nourishing morning meals in biblical households. This bowl provides fiber, healthy fats, and natural energy, without any processed sugar, a beautiful reminder that breakfast doesn't need to be complicated to be powerful. And finally, number 15, the simple Sabbath meal, with bread, olive oil, fish, and fresh fruit on the Sabbath. Families gathered to share meals that were simple, wholesome, and prepared with care. This combination brings together healthy fats, lean protein, whole grains, and natural fruit, creating a balanced meal that nourishes both body and spirit. Sometimes the most healing meals aren't complicated at all. They're simply shared with love. As you can see, these 15 biblical meals weren't just about survival. They were about balance, simplicity, and using what nature provided. While no single meal can instantly heal the body, choosing whole, natural foods like these as part of a balanced lifestyle may genuinely support long-term health and wellness. Sometimes the wisdom we're searching for isn't new at all. It's simply waiting to be rediscovered. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on the notification bell. Tell us in the comments which biblical meal you would love to try first. And share this video with someone who wants to eat healthier naturally. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.